Colin, drum roll, please.
After the nice drum roll, I'm going to tell you more about the drum. It originated in 6000 BC in Mesopotamia, back in the day. Nowadays you hear it in rock and roll and marching bands, but it started in America in New Orleans when the marching bands first played it. You can change the frequency with this tuning key. You turn it on the drum and it changes the key. And then for the vibration and sounds, each time the drum is struck with the head vibrates in between each strike of the stick.
To elaborate on what Kazzy was talking about, Colin, we're going to first of all show you different parts of the drum. Alright, so the basics. We have the drum head, which is the face that you strike with the stick. We have the rim, also known as the hoop. We have the tuning rods, which you use the tuning key for. Colin, thank you. Tuning key, tuning rods. We have the switch, which basically turns on the snare, which you can hear it's a lot less or a lot more ringy. And these are the snares themselves. This drum is specifically called the snare drum, and we have to make the drums more unique. We have different kinds of drums, such as the snare, the toms, and the floor tom, and then the bass drum, along with the cymbals, which can range from the hi-hat to the crash to the ride. Also on the snare, we have a moon gel, which with the snare right now, you can hear it. Pretty stiff. It's a solid sound. When I take the moon gel off, it becomes a very ringy sort of sound. Purpose for the moon gel, simple: keep out the ring. So what we're gonna do is just play a little jam, and I'll switch up a little style. A fill is in between the rhythm when the song kind of breaks and the drums show different parts of the usage. So and now for the final, we will give you more cowbell. Start.
Boom! Woo!